Hey guys, welcome to She Reviews with Lexi. I am making this video today about my Japanese hair straightening that I did. First things first, I'm in the process of taking off my eyelashes, so I still have this one here. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. My Rugrat is running around making a bunch of noise. Stop. Anyway, so I did the Japanese hair straightening using the Milbon Straight, what is it? Yeah, Licio Crystal Straightening Cream, and I use normal. This is in the kit. It came with also the neutralizing lotion. So it's the same thing by Milbon. It's the company. One treatment is about half a pack for my length of hair. So I guess I have enough to do a touch up. The next thing that I used was the Licio Crystal. It's by Milbon as well. And it's just like a, I want to say it's like a thermal protector. It's a pump spray. I mean, not a spray, but a pump. It's kind of watery, but you basically, you can use this after treatment as a, before you blow dry your hair. For shampoo, I use the Nigel ER shampoo, and they also have a conditioner to go with this. This is pretty expensive. This 8-ounce bottle was $14 something. So to do the process, you need to set aside at least 2 to 3 hours. You should not do this on processed hair, which is relaxed, color treated, anything. I think you can do it on color treated hair, but I'd probably seek out the advice of a professional. Obviously, if you're watching this video and you decide to do it, you're doing it at your own risk. My hair, I had been natural for about 6 years when I decided to do it. So for me, it was fine. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is straight. All I've done was just run the Tangle Teaser brush through it. So I think I got all the important stuff out the way. So the process is you are going to first wash your hair 2 times. When I wash my hair, I use this shampoo. You can also use like a clarifying shampoo. The purpose is to get rid of all dirt, all oils, and everything from your hair. So you wash it 2 times really good. Then while your hair is wet, you will want to also have a spray bottle of water next to you. And you'll basically use the spray bottle of water for re-wetting your hair as it's drying, because when you apply the product, your hair has to be wet. So any sections that start to get dry, you just spray the water on it. But you're going to take, I would put this in a bowl with a one of the brushes. You would use, not a brush, you want to use a double-sided comb, one with the comb on the side and one with brush bristles on the other. It's like a Brazilian, when you get a Brazilian keratin treatment, it's those brushes. It's a rat tail comb and it's double-sided. So you want to, get some, and then you want to put it in on each section of your hair. So you do 4 sections, and then you just do thin rows. You basically put it from root to tip. You want to comb it all the way through. You can put a generous amount. Just be careful not to get it on your scalp because it does kind of burn. What else? Okay, so after you do this step, you're going to let it process anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. It really depends on your hair texture. You would need to do a strand test, which is basically... Move. Be quiet. Yeah, go show Toddy. basically want to take a strand of hair, you're going to wipe it clean, and then you'll, gosh, I'm not good at this, but you'll basically pull it through, and if it kind of, I guess if it opens like that, then it is done or some I don't know. Anyways, you want to do it. I'd look up how to do a strand test because I don't know. Then I won't say I don't know. I'll say I don't remember at this point because it's been about 4 weeks. I did it when I initially did my hair. So then you're going to rinse this out. You'll want to rinse it for a good 7 to 10 minutes. Just rinse until it runs really clear and there's no bubbles or anything running in the water. At least I would do the max as long as you can. Like I said, 7 to 10 minutes. Then you're going to blow dry your hair. Blow dry it straight, and then you're going to flat iron it. You'll want to pass over your roots, flat iron it at 400 degrees, pass over it like say 3 or 4 times at the roots, and then go over the entire strand a couple times as well. What else? So you'll do all your sections like that. Again, once you flat iron it, do not pin it up or do anything. You just want to leave it out and leave it straight. You don't want to tuck it behind your ear or anything. Once you have all your hair flat ironed, then you are going to pour this neutralizing lotion all over the sections. It's easy if you have like a like one of those hair coloring bottles, so you can pour this in there, but I did not have it at the time, so I just twisted this off and like literally poured it on the sections and worked it through. You'll feel it heating up, not to where it's gonna burn you, but it does get kind of hot. And basically it is setting the hair in the position that you straighten it to. So then once that's done, you're going to, oh, I'm sorry, you'll let this sit on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you're going to make sure that you rinse that out. You are going to rinse it for a good 7 to 10 minutes, just like you did with the straightening cream. You have to really make sure it is rinsed out very well. And then you are going to follow up with this Lisio crystal. It's kind of like a thermal protector. And then you are going to blow dry your hair all over again, and you're going to flat iron it. Again, when you flat iron your hair, you do not pin it up. You don't tie it up or anything. And then for the next 3 days, you cannot tie your hair, pin it, ponytail it, braid it, twist it, nothing. It has to be bone straight. You don't want to put it behind your ears or anything. So I usually wear a part, but what I did was I just kind of kept my hair more to the back. This section, I'll say my front section is kind of wavy still, but that is because this was the last section I did. I started from the front section, this one, and I ended up here, and out of fear that I was running out of time, I ended up rinsing it out, and so it's still a little curly. Not curly, it's more just a like a little wave. It's not a big deal. I don't really care. What I could do is go back over it when I do my touch up, but I'm not, because really it's bone straight when I blow dry it and flat iron it. The reason I did it was because I don't have time to do my hair when it's curly, and it takes a long time when it's straight to straighten it out. This cuts down my blow dry time like in half, and my flat iron time in half. Like I can literally blow dry my hair and flat iron it in like 25 minutes total. Because now I don't have to do huge, like really thin sections. Like I can just do Like literally, if I were flat iron my hair, I could take like a section like this big or whatever and just go. Like I can do chunks like that. Because it's pretty much straight just from blow drying it. It's just the flat iron is gonna help smooth it out. I'm trying to think. Is there anything? Oh, care. One of the products that I use is the It's a 10 as my pretty much leave-in conditioner if I'm gonna just wear my hair in a ponytail or something. And if I'm gonna straighten it, I use this as well. Um, 'Cause I don't always straighten my hair out. If I do, like I said, I use this. If not, after I wash it, I just kind of throw it in a ponytail and then leave it, and it's good all week. And that's about it for care. Texture wise, my hair still feels exactly the same, if not healthier. I feel like my hair actually does feel healthier. Um, After you get it done, it's a good idea to get your ends trimmed just like with any other treatment. Normally, if you go in for a color or relaxer or whatever, they normally trim your ends. Same thing with this. You'll want to get your ends trimmed. But all of my, like, you know, it's all my hair is healthy. It doesn't feel fried at all. It is, I can't, you wouldn't even know that I had it done. It's just that my hair texture is different, and the stylist was even telling me how healthy my hair looked, and she did not know that I had a straightening treatment done. I had never seen this lady before. I just went to one of these little like hair cuttery places, whatever. I had my ends trimmed. And so she just kept saying how healthy my hair felt. And I literally had did the Japanese hair straightening the day before. So I can't think of anything else important. If you have any questions, then you can feel free to leave a comment and I'll respond there. I purchased the Liscio set from Amazon. I want to say it was like $49. The Nigel shampoo is for the 8 ounces like $14, and then the Liscio Crystal. This is 4 ounce. I want to say this was like 20 something dollars, 21 or 25 or something. It's supposed to help keep your hair straight. But me personally, I don't know. I don't even really like this stuff. I just bought it because the instructional video from Milbon was using it, so I used it. But I don't continue to use it, even though they say to use it with it. I don't continue to use it. But the instructions for this is just to place 2 pumps of the product into your palm, spread thoroughly in your hand, and apply mainly at ends, blow dry. So I know it's some sort of protector, but I don't really care for it. Not for $25. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or whatever, I will try to answer them. And I will be recording when I do my touch-up. I will record that for you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it.